In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add audio in Clipchamp step by step. Whether you want to add background music, sound effects, voiceovers, or any custom audio file to your video project, this quick guide will walk you through the entire process from start to finish. If you're new to Clipchamp or just want to make sure you're doing it the right way, you're in the right place. And before we dive in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Clipchamp in your browser and go to any project of your choice. You can either create a new video project from the dashboard or open an existing one that you're currently working on. Once you're inside the Clipchamp editor, you'll see your preview window at the top, your timeline at the bottom, and your media panel on the left-hand side. This is where we'll be working to import and manage our audio files. Now, the first step to adding audio is importing your audio file into the project. On the left side of the screen, click on the Import Media button. This will allow you to upload files directly from your computer. Locate the audio file you want to use. This could be an MP3 file, a WAV file, background music, a podcast recording, or a voiceover track. Select the file and click Open. Clipchamp will now upload your audio into the media library of your current project. Once the upload is complete, you'll see the audio file appear in your media panel. From here, adding it to your video is very simple. Click on the audio file, hold your mouse button down, and drag it directly onto the timeline at the bottom of the screen. You can place it below your video track, and Clipchamp will automatically create an audio track if one doesn't already exist. After you drag it onto the timeline, you'll see the audio waveform appear. This waveform helps you visually identify where sound is louder or quieter throughout the track. Now you can adjust the position of the audio by clicking and dragging it left or right on the timeline. This allows you to sync it perfectly with your video. If your audio is longer than your video, you can trim it by clicking on the end of the audio clip and dragging it inward. If it's shorter, you can either leave it as is or add additional audio depending on your needs. You can also adjust the volume of the audio. Simply click on the audio clip in the timeline and then use the audio settings panel to increase or decrease the volume. This is especially useful if you're adding background music and don't want it to overpower dialogue or voiceovers. Take a moment to press play in the preview window and make sure everything sounds exactly how you want it. If needed, continue adjusting the timing, trimming the edges, or modifying the volume until it's perfectly aligned with your video. And that's it. That's how you add audio in Clipchamp quickly and easily. As you can see, the process is very beginner-friendly and only takes a few clicks. Just open your project, click on Import Media, upload your audio file, and drag it straight onto the timeline. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.